Welcome to our tutorial on how to allow Instagram to access your media on your device. Keeping your media accessible to Instagram is crucial for sharing and interacting with content seamlessly. Let's walk through the steps together. First, open the Settings app on your device. Scroll down and tap on Apps or Application Manager, which may vary depending on the device you're using. Look for Instagram from the list of apps and select it. Once you've selected Instagram, tap on Permissions. Here, you'll find a list of permissions that Instagram has on your device. Locate the option for Files and Media or Storage and toggle the switch to grant Instagram access to your files. After enabling access to files, select Allow Access to Media to ensure Instagram can interact with your media effectively. By following these simple steps, you can give Instagram the necessary permissions to access your media smoothly. This will enhance your Instagram experience and make it easier to share and engage with media content. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide has been helpful in allowing Instagram to access your media on your device. Stay tuned for more tips and tutorials to make the most out of your social media experience.